Hello, Madam Asma by African Professor One Unfiltered. One almost speaks person, which I'm African Professor One. The Bomadra subscribe, share, hit notification bell. Titembia made the video for be able to on Sakabi. One more time, African Professor One Unfiltered. Now, having son be as unfiltered, we are my way, and Ukraine can, and one and only here, so much who be anti sanity, what Africa Professor One Unfiltered platform, so no sanity. And Tine, come on, person with me, see the ignorant. Tribalists or tribal bigots. The ignorant tribalists or tribal bigots will use anything or will do anything to insult Otumfuo Asantes and Asantes for fame, for money. But Mrs. the ignorant tribalists in Ghana and abroad will use anything to insult Asantes and Asantes for fame. I didn't know make a topic. Yes, my kasa for home kakra pen na mesa, but in a different way. Now the entire my kasa and say masa revisit this topic in the say. Asante for the boy be an answer penny for a can for the boy baby say baby a onsa and answer home baby a your hin. The be a unya ho titin there. So home baby a your hin a chi or say it yeah obetiting what bia. In some way a very itchy issue. Nti tambia yesem titin ho ehia me pa is very important. Na dey tell me say omo asabi omo nim asema omo kan no I just say but enam say tribalism a share omo man say bigotry tribal bigotry a share omo man no. They don't care, they will use anything to talk because they say and I can say and who country be an society be a adwuma ni ho bebre who country be here me krom Ghana mostly no we unemployment rate them said overburning number 40-something% and that's a 50. So means right. It's a human ho. So it's a quite be any person so we have to eat. It's necessity is the mother of invention. A come do up. And I say a quite be a miss be our be improvised be a fast you have to do it. And it's sanity and it's say YouTube one of the live choir for a fast DDD. And you once ubetimi afa kwabi so is negativity cry a sell seriously. And you can't be a fast be a bedidi no. And I'm for a fast to him say Ghana kofo be brave YouTubers in be brave. A transfer who say no me be brave. A transfer who say and kofo group of people be our Ghana who come some or do matter especially be far any Asante for and or Hines number one. What can I say? Now to say, attract nipa be brain. Asante hine. And you know, I am one say, Kofo be brain. I make say, it's so nauseating. About from some any crisis some near that, but somehow no people have to eat. They find a way. Say, Otumfuo can answer me in a negative way. A sell it, and I'm for brain. Be sorry, ya. Ofu mini pe me ko so fu be sorry, ya. No dear Asante, no dear Asante Fat, and Asante for a tribalist, and so soon I make can say the whole Ghana, Yakupon Hatta swim say the whole Ghana, trouble be any Muja ho Asante for, Uko Asante Regina, and that's a Kumasia. No tribe, they know it. Sir tribalists, sir, ignorant tribal, bigots, and they know, but somehow no, they had to say it just to make some money, and that's it to eat. And you only hear viral, or they want to go viral, they want to have fame. But 15-second fame crowd, it's all right, and so that's what they do. And America, they will use anything that they tell Mamma saying, one is say, Nasiana, me money pakudi because me bo bani dia or pesa fame, no pesa 15 minutes fame. I'm say, me video be, no boni ding, but me more obani, the only one. So Tikumasi, so a revenant minister be, so a soft be, so dear. No, I say, or commenting or video there too. I will say, dwarfism, sir. And Kofono Titian. I just so crab for customer say achondroplasia for no achondroplasia. Sanko for you from achondroplasia. I say dwarfism no scientific for no. Sanko for and I say Asante for you say true Asantes in the almost tintin to say achondroplasia for and I say dwarfism conform ye titian for no. Sana yeti. Nam say me Asante new sister. Minimu kun minim so okun dia wo kun me ka bibia minimu kun so me do nyam se me wache wo kun so ma me papa me nananum nyina ya Asantefo me to my trace me history my Asante history my Asantinity all the way back long time from cement a chama nana free no ni ada sa and up to nana who any aduchu anum nyina sa to no to me stay so no masa me watch me asantini e wo me nuanum nyina wo mema nyina wo tinta so but if you ask no yes so it's no yonko abotan ti asantefo ye dia tam sa dia na asantefo ye say asantefo ye tiatia ni ade na make say san tiatia abrofom kan dwarfism no so if you in case motia dwarfism no a bone disorder that a disease and a result into sad dwarfism no. And in other words, no say because me explaining more me say I don't want to confuse and I say because because omo ignorant and omo semi-illiterate and I say because so mun school that no because so I school the level of education and I say me nimba bi omo education free and you know and a Ghana so wouldn't say we need critical thinking curriculum and me sure pass say mahama am so obey me recommend this could be me introduce critical thinking starting from junior high school to senior high school level because a lot of people need critical thinking skills because we'll be also a school down or we invest in that but now or like a critical thinking skills because can you say in cardia yaria and I said genetic mutation a year disorder I just say babia across culture bruni India, Japanese, Chinese, obia babia American say bebre a book bebre. There was one school be an amona a bebre some almost special teachers so much money bebre a brofo fitan we had the bebre a book and so no somehow no obiet me atransia ka say and no time hunu any jealousy no any sa bigotry ignorant bigotry tribal bigotry ni tino we say asantefo nyina sa no mtie obi ko kan correct no we say oni ani didi na sister what kan ani achi wo you're too red-handed, and now you don't even know how to defend yourself. Now, okay, so why would you comment on somebody's say, obioetb as dwarfism, side genetic mutation, asantefo, height, no? Let's say asantefo, what that genetic, let's say insult, I was in insult, because you are ignorant, you don't even understand the word insult. Me modi, minimudi pa, omobodi, me modi, because who paid that fame, no? I'm not going to amplify your name, and I said, may glorify your name, what the old fame now open. And so once as for attacking me because you want to be attacked. You want to be, yet you set a record in straight. Oh, now and I can say it's past time. Say, Obia attack Santini, Biana, so we are Santini, Mujajino Moa. Master, you have every right to defend yourself. But minim saying in any pabacco. We are when you in any pabacco. But sir, hatred and trouble bigotry now, Obi pet, than would be an in the Yafuntino. No, baby, no dink was as what did you asante for atem. Now, come say, sad dwarfism no, is caused by genetic mutation, and I said a change in DNA. So, and it affects our bone development, and my bones, you know, instead of being stretching, so, and I make say the causes are the beer, mammy, and I said, papa, mostly. Omo yenti bi kura ne mami ananse ne papa omo yeni nyina ya tentententin for babia no omo carry sa one of them carry gene no sa mutation gene mutation intin se basa no a there's a 50-50 chance ba me no ananse papa betima pass it on sa mutation no sa you know if there's a gene mutation into the child no they say the akransu 50 chance of developing that disease. That's how the thing come. There was scientific basis for that. Now, and I'm saying, so ignorant. Almost a bit so much school, and so because so many common sense. No, because in America, a lot of people critical thinking skills and common sense. Because common sense, you know, is based on emotional and social intelligence. Because we have level of intelligence. Because book more intelligence because you be also a school where well educated no alternative so no can brofo che because of no address it about time because of that it making a well educated no because education that make can say you may have a be analytical intelligence so be a calculation with my calculating you may be so good but now lack it other part of fluid intelligence and I say critical your friend say would like it maybe to say emotional social intelligence, and then your friend common sense, if you nyansa no, obi wa no ni saa de no bi. Na wo ni saa social skills no, saa intelligence ni bi a, wo bre papa na nkofo bebre ni bi e wo Ghana. Nti obi o ma no a, no mo kansa mu, no mo kan kwasasam. Because who could di asante na tell bi kura ofie no. Uni ofie ba ofie a, uni obia ho. Obia ni obema pani bi anase ndi petitu bi ni ho. Enso so no mo kan kwasam fa di papa na say ni say. Omutimi compare apple to oranges. And I say apple anybody anka anybody no more compare the two. How can you compare say Kumasi Asante na ma Kumasi ho fin na kokrobi ti say the omu bobo say kokrobi so ni ade ade ani nkrobi be area ho ni ade ho fe masa look at the size of that area no, and the population people nipa omuti ho no, because the more nipa bebre eti area no, so the urban your friend urban sprawl, the more a lot of people lives in the area, no, and no, it comes with all this urban sprawl. And I say, if we need to that doesn't mean say city council and I say city, they couldn't have done better than that. But that's what it is. Upa America Hamiti, New York compare Atlanta, the whole, and I said the state of Georgia, the population by according to population census 2022, about 10.5 million. Uko New York, almost headed towards by 28 million. And that's Florida. And to the point they say, the more area what more population, the more na say feeling your money, just say and ma cleaning more and to say what they Kumasi, the second largest city in Ghana. I compare baby to say baby and I say Kurokiti wabi or Bofredu and I say Odomia bra. Masa, you are comparing banana and I say plantain to oranges. And that's part of critical thinking, you know. No. And you compare Asante one Gigi KMA, Gigi Scanwa, the brand Asante, and I say Mahamani Akufado num any government, successive government don't buy Omuji a year if it's a taxes at the brand Asante. Huh? I mean, we're beating a crash, or he beating a crash, so we'll clean a year. Would you compare Kumasi? The two major cities, and that's the largest city in Kuma, biggest city in Ghana, Kumasi ni Accra, Accra, Chokonomini ade, him, and over blame a garment chair, no money, I am for him for Chocoman, Chanomini, Conforno, and you also a yofi. Huh? I mean, part of the citizens, they also bear the responsibility. Say, wouldn't mean answer to area now to ewura, and she to ewura, and I say a goofy and we say, and she don't connect a kuchukua, who blame more no. What is common sense? No, be one question for be one no material. No, say, oh, you money, there's something at Asante for ye Jew Pia Kumasi, Yakupon also name. Movie animals I come home, no more dear Asante for no more making some bogus comparison any I've been be a baby any no more dear Asante wanna say this because would they any patiatia for Asante for United Tietia. Master, I did see a bone disorder, and it's caused by a bone disorder and the causes are dwarfism. No, so anymore sanity and a genetic mutation. And the causes are say because cells no any bia cells bia with DNA cells nina with DNA. Now when you say akwara nyim no a me doctor akwara nyim common sense akwara o dayemu a o nyini no o develop no na months no da ho nyina o ka say a developed cells no is going under division. Meiosis ni mitosis ni sani manam it's going on. I don't know. I'm saying that's what it is. And the cell no is dividing and they be a while. Not somewhere along the line, no, let's say the division couldn't, go according to, plan. I don't know, a caution bit mama, bone and men develop deny it, now go up here, woman sunny and no more, omunani and tia, they be omutina, casino, nina, cell division. And I said, because of that cell mutation, no be an papana and asa mammy carib, and wa brofo, bibinio, why Chinese or Japanese ningina a katia across cultures. No be no Ghana. Na somehow be yankophobia, no mujid, sir, in classism, sir, ignorant, narratives needy. Now more amplify, no more so, it be two more YouTube so, no more kese, no more Emma a year or more dead. And that is what it is. It's a me, so be can't quite a similar and so be dear something. There's no way say, send me to me video. So why? Because me, yes, I said, yes, I know modern. I'm not going to do that. I'm not. Say, can we can answer somebody? Yeah, I can do that. But you can't call someone did Obi atam they are two videos that Miss Obi say, where did we atom? What is the point? So be the Obi atam no antenna wu nipa kura wo kan mo nipa natia. So can who be? Why do I do that for? And it's sanity me say the ignorant tribal bigots will use anything to insult Otumfuo and Asantes for fame. Because I try a year say who can say true Asantefo Tientia and you must be no we not na and answer when you Asantini. Where this what scientific evidence and as a basis does this come from? And I make can say a bone muti ignorant for no minimum in the pantitia for no titia for no near them dwarfism, right? And a bone disorder. Now the causes are no a said mutation, and your friend say genes and I say genetic mutation, and the man causes are one, and in the process of the cell division, and the man might be happy, and to be a while, not during the cell transformation and I say division, and my DNA no, it be intimi and go according to BBR program, to say computer program be now intimi according to plan, and it causes our bone, bone development, bone intimate development. Now money might be happening across all quarters. Trouble be it has nothing to do with Ashantis. This will be ignorant. Will be ignorant. We're tribal bigots. And I'll be issues because Asantefo in Tinti and Yada. Meme what, me ma many papa. Obi a say meme what me ni patente. Tia me nye tia as me Asantini pure. Enti mo kasa mo kanya sasa no munya se mu because it's kakra mbeja adwuma e koma dimunti no na mo kan se mu hunu enti sa na tie me say and then koma me say the ignorant tribal bigots will use anything to insult Otumfuo and Asantes just to make money or to make fame, to get fame. That's all that is. Into one more time, we are African Professor One Unscripted. Subscribe, share with friends and family, and hit the notification bell. Anytime I upload new video in Sabakanti. Bye bye. I'll talk to you another time. Bye bye.